Hi, I'm Joe Collins from Avalon Accounting, and if you're like a lot of business owners, you're not really into doing your bookkeeping, but I'm here to make it a little bit easier for you. In this video, I'm going to show you number 1, why your bookkeeping is important for your business. Number 2, who should be doing your bookkeeping, and number 3, what system is best for your business. Now, here are some questions you may have asked yourself. Number 1, is my business profitable? And number 2, where does my cash go every month? Good bookkeeping is the foundation for answering these questions and will also help guide better business decisions. If your bookkeeping is up to date, you'll get much better information, including who owes you money, who you owe money to, and how much cash is ready for your next month of operations. Good bookkeeping is also the key to compliance. If you have good bookkeeping practices, you're going to be able to file on time and avoid penalties and interest from the CRA. And of course, having good bookkeeping is also very important to get business financing. Yes, bookkeeping can be a lot easier, and if you're going to only take one thing away from this video, let it be this. Get yourself a separate business bank account and credit card. This is going to help make your bookkeeping 1,000 times easier. Now, to hammer this point home, if your business transactions are intermingled with your personal transactions, your time to do your bookkeeping is going to skyrocket, or the cost to do your bookkeeping is going to increase 10, 15-fold. Should you do your own bookkeeping? Now, you've already set yourself up for success by having a separate business bank account and credit card, and bookkeeping can be done by anyone. An important consideration here is that bookkeeping is going to cost you either time or money, but there are benefits. You get to learn the financial operations of your business, and you'll save a lot of money. So ultimately, the DIY option is great for businesses just starting out that don't have a lot of budget to hire a bookkeeper. But it's really important to know yourself as a business owner. Are you the type of person that's going to keep up with their bookkeeping? Are you going to sit down and do your bookkeeping every week or every month? Or are you the type of person that's going to leave it till the end of the year and have a very stressful situation on your hands? So here's a bonus tip for DIY success. If you're going to be doing your own bookkeeping, there's 2 things here that you should do to make sure that you're successful with it. Number 1 is get the training that you need. Learn how to do the bookkeeping in the first place. And number 2, get accountability. Find somebody that can keep you accountable to make sure that your bookkeeping is done on a regular basis. So hiring a professional bookkeeper can save you a lot of time and headaches, but it also comes at a cost. So outsourcing can make things simpler. You don't have to recruit staff and then manage them, which allows you to focus on your business. You'll also have peace of mind that your filings are all done on time and that you won't run into problems with the CRA. But finding the right bookkeeping service is critical. You'll want to find someone that is reliable, that knows your industry really well, and also has coverage if they go on vacation. At the end of the day, doing your own bookkeeping is one of the least impactful things you can do inside your business. You'll want to look to outsource your bookkeeping as soon as possible. Maybe your bookkeeping needs are a little more significant and you're looking to hire an internal bookkeeper to join your team. This will give you a dedicated person on your team that really knows the complexities of your business and the comings and goings of your day-to-day operations. So a really strong internal bookkeeper should save you a lot of time so that you can focus on your business. But be mindful, who is this person going to with any questions that they have? Do you have outside professional support that they can reach out to answer their questions? So hiring an internal bookkeeper is a good option for businesses with complex operations, such as manufacturing companies or retail or restaurant groups. But you need to be mindful that this is another person that you need to recruit, train, manage, and replace if they leave. This is especially relevant if you're hiring a part-time person for this role. So we generally see startups fall into one of 3 categories. Number 1, they want just strictly compliance. Number 2, they want some bells and whistles like sending invoices. Or number 3, they want a system that's going to grow with them as their business grows. For most new businesses, we recommend just starting out with a Google Sheet, like our free bookkeeping template, which we'll post below. This allows you to learn the operations of your business, the financial operations, what money's coming in and out, and what functionality you might need in an accounting system. The Google Sheet option is great because it's really simple. You copy and paste your transactions from your credit card and your bank statement and categorize those transactions. Once that's done, you're good to go. For a little more automation, you can look at some free options of software that's available online. These will help you send out invoices and track payments coming in, but you'll realize as your business grows that you'll run into functionality limitations. So if you're looking to grow your business, it pays to start out on the right foot. We love Xero accounting software because it has the functionality for businesses to start small, but also has the functionality to grow with you. It's simple enough for small business owners to use when they're just starting out, but also has the robust functionality that we look for in growing companies as well. Another thing we love about Xero is that it connects with lots of third-party software solutions. So if you have a sales solution or an inventory solution, it'll link into Xero as the accounting platform. Another reason we recommend Xero is if you have any multi-currency going on within your business. So if you're buying or selling in foreign currency, Xero is going to make it very simple to do your accounting. Now, Xero is going to cost you a little bit each month, somewhere in the range of $30 to $40, but this investment really pays off as your business grows and you get more and more valuable information from it. So when it comes to picking your bookkeeping software solution for your small business, there's no one-size-fits-all scenario. What you're going to want to look at is what kind of information you want to get out of that software solution, and also what are your long-term intentions for growth. In the end, it pays to learn that software solution really well and understand the needs and requirements of your business. So if you've decided to do your own bookkeeping, one of the big questions you're going to have early on is how to categorize your transactions. That is, which bucket should this expense go into? So it's important here to understand where we're trying to get to. At the end of the day, what you're going to want to see from your financial statements is where is your money coming from and where is it going to. So with that in mind, what we're going to want to do when we're categorizing expenses is not get too granular. We want to keep it simple. So let's use vehicle expenses as an example. With vehicle expenses, you can dump everything into a general vehicle expenses and not have to separate it out into fuel and insurance and all the other things that go into the car. One of the big benefits of keeping it simple like this is you won't have to remember last month, did I put the staplers into office supplies or office expenses? So by now you're probably wondering, what expenses can I deduct in my business? And stay tuned because we'll be doing a video on that. And in the meantime, check the description below because we'll link to our article about it. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helps you get started with your bookkeeping. If you have any other questions or comments, please post them down below. And subscribe for more videos for small business owners just like you.